Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you are fine. Today we will start the first chapter of computers of class 8th. The name of the chapter is Computer Hardware Components. In this chapter, we will study following topics. First is anatomy of computer, second internal hardware, third external hardware, fourth input devices, fifth output devices, sixth storage devices. Let's start with the first topic, anatomy of computer. A computer comprises of two major components. First is hardware, second software. Let's come to first type, that is hardware. Hardware is that part of computer that you can touch or feel. For example, mouse, monitor, printer, hardware. Hardware is further categorized into two types, internal hardware and external hardware, which we will study later. Second type is software. Software is a set of programs or instructions that are held responsible for the internal operations of a computer, and it instructs a computer about the work to be done and how to do that work. For example, MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint, Unix. Software can be classified into two main types. First is system software, second is application software. System software is that software that control and coordinates the activities of software and hardware and provide the interface for the user to operate easily. For example, operating system and various device drivers, utilities such as antivirus software. Second type is application software. Application software is that software that user can use according to their personal requirement. If they want to do painting, then they can use MS Paint. For presentation work, they can work on MS PowerPoint. Now, both of the components of computer, that is hardware and software, are totally interdependent on each other's functioning. That means if any of the components stop working, the computer functioning comes to a halt. For example, without the need of a processor and a memory, it is impossible to run a software. सॉफ्टवेयर को रन करने के लिए आपको मेमोरी चाहिए टू स्टोर दैट सॉफ्टवेयर एंड अ प्रोसेसर टू रन द सॉफ्टवेयर. Without hardware, software cannot perform, and without software, hardware cannot functions. So both of the components are correlated, interrelated in their functioning. Now let's start with second topic, that is internal hardware. The hardware components that are installed within the CPU cabinet are called internal hardware. Those components that are inside the CPU cabinet, they are internal hardwares. Example, CPU, RAM, ROM, various disk drives, sound card, video card, motherboard, network card. First type is motherboard. Motherboard is the main circuit board of a computer that hold the most essential components of computer system. Its base is made up of a rigid plastic sheet. The board is named or is classified as a mother because it holds all the essential components of a computer as well as provide a single platform to connect all the parts together and works like a single unit and allows them to communicate with each other as well. A motherboard is mounted inside the CPU cabinet and it connects CPU, memory, hard drives, optical drives, video card, sound card and other expansion cards directly or via cables. With the help of cables और directly हम वेरियस कंपोनेंट्स को मदरबोर्ड के ऊपर माउंटेड कर सकते हैं, प्लस उन कंपोनेंट्स की आपस में इंटरेक्शन करवाते हैं, कम्युनिकेशन करवाते हैं so that it provides a single platform for a user to operate. The motherboard works like a bus terminal, that is junction of all the devices. As all the bus originate from and end up in the terminal, similarly all the activities related to the connected devices start and end up in the motherboard. As you all know, bus start and end up in the bus terminal. In the same way, all the activities that are related to the connected devices on the motherboard start and end up in the motherboard. So it serves as a junction of all the devices, where all the activities related to the devices that are mounted on the motherboard start up and end up at the motherboard. The motherboard contains firstly processor chip, BIOS, basic input-output instructions, memory chips, external storage controllers for video display and sound, expansion slots for connecting additional circuit boards. If you want to connect some additional circuit boards, you can also connect it using the expansion slots. Now come to the fact file. Vinod Dham is popularly known as the father of Pentium for his contribution in the development of Pentium processor from Intel. विनोद धाम को हम फादर ऑफ पैंटियम भी बुलाते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि उनका जो कंट्रीब्यूशन है पैंटियम प्रोसेसर में उसको डेवलप करने के लिए वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा है. दैट इज़ वाई ही इज़ नोन एज द फादर ऑफ पैंटियम. सेकेंड internal hardware is PCI. The full form of PCI is Peripheral Component Interconnect. It serves as a connection between computer's motherboard and any connected hardware. जो भी connected hardware है प्लस motherboard के inside में ये एक connection create करता है. It transmits data and power between a computer and the device. PCI transmit क्या करता है? Data plus power between the computer and the device. Device और computer के बीच में data को plus power को transmit करने में PCI help करता है. PCI was introduced by Intel in 1992. PCI card can be inserted into the PCI slot on a motherboard, and it provides additional input-output ports on the back of a computer. Totally, there are 3 or 4 PCI slots on a motherboard. As you can see in the figure 1.1, this is a PCI card that provides additional 3 or 4 PCI slots so that we can connect additional input-output devices, any connected device, any device that you want to connect to your computer system, you can connect it easily. Thank you, students.